What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know the thing going, you don't know. So the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right about now, my people, my day and the morning, they understand early for do this vlog, my people. I'm tell you say, boy, my dog, them have a heat outside. So if you're not here now, woof, my people, just know the thing go. See, because right about now, my viewers and subscribers, are some sad news, sad video sent to the attacking boss, my people. And right now, I'm in shock. I can't believe my people, because a girl, my people, who goes by the name of Lexi, Dbess, you understand? Social media influencer, TikTok star, Instagram star, Jamaican comedian, my people, you understand? Entertainer, everything in one, my people. Just 20 years old, my viewers and subscribers. She's no longer with us on earth. She gone, my people. You understand? Her life is gone. So, yesterday, my people, on Friday, March 18, 2022, my people, Lexi, Dbess, was killed in a very deadly accident in Trelawny, Jamaica, my people. Also, where 2 men was also killed. You understand? A 30-year-old man, people, who them say is a recording artist, you know what I mean, popularly known by the name of Free Speech, my people, from St. and another person who them say was driving the other vehicle. So basically, my people, them say, it is where Lexi Dbess, she in the car with one of the male people who was driving a Mark X, and Vaxi bus people who was traveling in the opposite direction that was transporting some tourists. And them say, people, something went down where the 2 vehicles managed to collide. And I've seen the videos, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm telling you, it is really terrible. It is really deadly. See? And when I'm looking at the Mark X car, my people, and I see one of the male my people, and the condition of the man gone in, and I look people and saw the female outside and lifeless, my people. And if you know so that I really Lexi, you understand, I couldn't believe, my people. But we all know it go, people, where nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. You're there today and tomorrow you're gone. But it's just really unfortunate, my people, to know that this female has just lost her life, my people, at such a young age in such a tragic way. You understand? And people, honestly, she was really great. She was really good in what she was doing. In her little skit, them are comedian thing, my people, her little TikTok video, them and thing. She was really good. And seeing her and watching her on 876 roommates, my people, yo, she was really a fun person. You understand? She was really great. And you know, at the age of 20, my people, just imagine 25, yo, there was a lot coming for her, you know. But sadly, my people, she was killed on that road down there in Trelawny. And them said this leg of road, people, is the same road where Shorty Malcolm, former Reggae Boys people, was killed after playing a soccer match a couple of years ago, my people. You understand? It's the same leg of road where he died, my people. So I don't know, say a deadly road, my people, but see it now, 3 life, 2 male, 1 female, my people. See, and I even get a little history on the other person who them call Free Speech people, and to tell her he was also an influencer himself as well, you know. A lot of people do know him. A lot of people say he was a great person, you know what I mean? And his story has a lot to it, my people, to know his journey that he was on and the journey he was going, my people. So, yo, 3 life lost, my people, in such a deadly and a sad way. And from this year start, my people, we have seen where a lot of great people, you know what I mean, been dropping out on the road. You know, the road fatalities in Jamaica is going skyrocketing, people. And for tell you, the country just free up in certain ways, you know what I mean, where party can go on now and this and that, my people. And to tell her, so what happened the first night, you know. And she was even promoting a party down there in Trelawny for the same night, my people. You understand? She was promoting this party. She was saying it's her friend and thing. And I can't recall, I can't say if it's this party she was coming from, or if she was naturally just, you know, going somewhere different, or, you know what I mean, people. But she has gone, my people. left a lot of people on social media mourning right now. A lot of comedians, a lot of people in the entertainment business, you know what I mean? Artists as well, because she has done promotion for artists, she has done promotion for party promoters and things, my people. You know, she was doing great, my people. Seeing how much followers, thousands of followers on TikTok, over 100,000 followers on Instagram, people. So you know that she was really an influencer, my people. She was really in the spotlight, you understand? And when I hear about Lexi, sometimes with your phone we just pop up and see some little skit video come and you look, that's sheepy, people. You understand? Always reacting and doing her little stuff and playing her little roles for people. But sadly, she's no longer with us, my people. No longer. Seeing? No more Lexi, my people. She gone at the age of 20. And I always say this, my viewers and subscribers. Seeing? In everything you do in life, just put God first and know that there is a God. You understand? The true one, my people. And just give God thanks. Every day you wake up, you're going out, you're coming in, because you just don't know, my people. See? Your day you're so good, having the biggest plans, you understand, the biggest thing in your mindset of all of these money, my people. But you see when Satan already, and that's the time you're going to strike, my people, you just don't know. See, you just don't know. And I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family and friends of Lexi, Dbess, my people, for the driver, you understand, who was driving that Vaxi bus, for the other person driver, you understand, free speech in the markets and thing, my people, and for everyone, you understand, for the tourists them who get injured in the thing. I just wish you all a speedy recovery and thing. And all I can say, yo, motorists, just drive with care, you understand, be on the lookout. Now things free up, now things open up. I know so a lot of people are going to drink more, a lot of people are going to stay out more, you understand. So a lot of things are going to free up certain way. I know so on the back to a way when they did shut out pan for a couple of years as well, so things are going to be kind of different. But remember, you only have one life, you understand, and most time you're transporting or driving a vehicle, you have other life with you, which you know so you have to protect too. So you have to drive with care. If you know so you drink too much, or if you know you're going to drive, drink one. Nobody go drink three. Nobody go drink few. Nobody go drink five. You understand me, people? I can't say, because I never get the information from any police or any source who was wrong in this accident, my people. But the saying of it is that two vehicles collided, my people. The Vaxi minibus and the Mark X motor car, my people. And wow, it just sad, my people. And them say, as me tell you, Lexi Dbess, she was an occupant of the Mark X with the meal, my people. Both of them passed. The driver of the Vaxi passed, my people, and tourists in the Vaxi also got serious injuries and thing. They were rushed to hospital for treatment and thing, you know. But it's life, my people. It's just life. And all I can say, Lexi, rest in peace again. And you left a mark, you understand. And I know others will follow your step, because you was heading somewhere. You were great at what you're doing. It was fun. Even though she passed, my people, I was going through her IG, watching her videos, them her little small clip of videos, them people, and just laughing, smiling, because she was just fun with everything that she do. Even if she promote a party, my people, it's fun. Anything she do, you can see fun, you can see laughter. If she take a picture, you can see fun. You understand? And that was what she was, my people. But sadly, she's no longer with us. And as I tell the people, may her soul rest in peace. And again, my condolences to all her family, friends, everyone that she came across and play a part in their life. And may her soul rest in peace. And for the other occupants, them, the other persons, them who lost their life, the same goes up. My condolences to all of your family. And may all of you, you know, the soul rest in peace. And only Jah sees and He knows. So my people, enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings. Thanks to the love, the support, the like, the share, and the comments, my people. Please remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official, attacking boss, my people. Peace out. Love you all, my people. Stay safe and just do the right thing, my people. And I'm going to share just a few little of her clips that my people are acting skits them, so, you know, and you can see who she was, really is, my people. And, you know, only Jah sees and He knows. Peace out, my people. Remember, subscribe, like, share, comment. Peace out.
Out that door, people, I pray, and it's a girl Lexi Dbess. I'm there represent for who? My bad bro, Young Wiz, aka Owen, him present a thing called It's a God for them keep up. Place to be, right? You're doing a scratch, Lani, Lucky in the day, March 18. You don't know music by the big bad DJ P0PULAR, get them cheese crunch, you understand? Some people want to roll out for that event, you want to drop on a mask. for that segment here. Because you know we're pretty good health and a bag of thing. So, more everybody roll in, come support entertainment, a bag of food I got up on the menu. People. Ladies, you see, if you have a man in your inbox when I stop piss you and I stop text off your phone, you want to know what to do? Ask him for some money. Just ask him for some money. I quickest then stop text you or stop give you the attention.
We can't get to use me on the rasta. But if you will more lift your bum backyard, I tell them to come take you from carry go put on a pipe, you know. Leave me and go on, man.
You know have to question that. That question they have to ask, you have to ask the question about that.